In today's video, I'm going to show you something kind of crazy. With just one smart prompt, you can create a complete blueprint for a Stickman animation video using AI script, scene breakdown, and even animation prompts, all done for you. If you're into powerful AI tools that save time and help you make money online, make sure to subscribe to JACKY AI Flow right now. And seriously, watch this video until the end, because missing just one small step could cost you something really valuable. Here's exactly what this one prompt can generate for you. Runners, a short, clean, voiceover-ready script that actually sounds natural. A clear scene-by-scene breakdown so nothing feels confusing. And 2 animation prompts for every single scene, so you get multiple video options. No drawing skills, no animation experience, just AI doing the heavy lifting. Alright, let's jump in. On my screen right now, I'm opening ChatGPT. I already have a special prompt prepared. I'll put the full prompt in the video description so you can just copy and paste it. When you use this prompt, ChatGPT automatically gives you a script that's the perfect length for voiceover. Clearly defined scenes, 1 idea per scene, 2 animation prompts for each scene. A minimal Stickman style, white background, black outlines, simple movements like walking, pointing, thinking, and reacting. Have you ever stared at a blank screen thinking, where do I even start with this video? Yeah, this prompt fixes that. Now all we do is replace the video topic. For example, I type in why motivation fades right after we set huge goals for ourselves. And instantly, ChatGPT generates a complete short script, plus 2 animation prompts for every scene. No brainstorming, no overthinking, it's all ready to go. Now the big question is, how do we turn these text prompts into an actual animated video? This is where Meta AI comes in. Meta AI is a powerful AI video generator that can turn text prompts directly into smooth Stickman animations. On my screen, I go to the Meta website, I click Create, then select Video. Then I simply copy one animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and click Animate. That's it. In just a few seconds, the Stickman animation is generated. No complicated settings, no technical stuff. Just paste the prompt and get a video. As you can see, one prompt gives me multiple video variations. I don't download everything. I only save the versions that look the smoothest and most natural. I repeat this for all scenes in the script. This way, I get more options. I save time, and I always end up with the best-looking video. Next up, voiceover. If you want top-tier quality, 11 Labs is amazing. Super realistic voices, free trial, and paid plans. In this video, I'm using Fish Audio instead. It's cheaper, beginner-friendly, and still sounds good. Here's what I do. Copy the script from ChatGPT. Choose a male or female voice. Click Generate. In seconds, you get a clean, high-quality voiceover that syncs perfectly with the Stickman scenes. Now let's put everything together. I use CapCut for editing. On my screen, I import all the Stickman video clips. I import the voiceover audio. I set the video ratio to 16:9. Because these are minimal animations, there's no heavy editing needed. Just match the clips to the voice. Trim cleanly. Basic alignment. And the video already looks polished and professional. Alright, we're done. This is a complete Stickman animation video created almost entirely with AI. Play final preview.
Day 1. We promise ourselves everything will change. New goals, new habits, a brand new version of us. Day 2. Motivation is still here, but a little quieter. Day 3. Life gets busy. Work piles up, energy runs low. We miss one day, then tell ourselves it's okay. We'll start again tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. The goal doesn't disappear, we do. Not because we failed, but because motivation was never meant to last. Big goals don't need motivation. They need small actions done consistently. And that's the part no one talks about.
You might notice, the Stickman characters aren't 100% identical in every scene. Some movements vary slightly. That's totally fine. The goal of this video is to show you the fastest, simplest workflow to get started. You can always refine and improve later. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe to JACKY AI Flow, and drop a comment below telling me what AI tool or idea you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next video where we'll break down more AI tools that save time and unlock new income opportunities.